Okay, I'm about to get a crick in my neck. Hey guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my braid out takedown. And the braid out is my absolute favorite style. As I've said in other videos, if you've seen those, make sure you subscribe so you can see all those. So if you're interested, keep watching. I don't really like to do a lot of complicated styles, so I find that braid outs are nice for helping me get something different, a little bit of extra oomph, you know, without doing something too elaborate and intricate. I like to do them after my shampoo so that way I get the maximum amount of definition. Usually when I do braid outs, I don't wear my hair down. I'll wear them in 2 braids pulled back, and my boo actually likes it like this too. So I'm just taking them down. If you have shorter locks, like maybe ear length, it's still possible to do braid outs, but it's not really a good idea to pull them back. When I was doing braid outs early on, I just had to wear the braids down because I'm not trying to pull all my hair out to wear a style. I go in with a little bit of oil, and this is a combination of a bunch of different oils like sweet almond oil, castor seed oil, olive oil, and a few more. But I'm just going to use this to make sure that my braids are very moisturized when I take them down. Just gonna put a little bit of this oil in my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking my braids down. So when I do my braid outs, I like to sit under the dryer. You can air dry, but depending on how long your hair is, you do want to be careful about mildew issues. I used to aim for a specific number of braids or a specific number of locks in each braid when my hair was shorter because it mattered a little bit more, like how the parts were. But now that my hair is longer, I guess it's almost at armpit length, I just kind of take chunks. I usually do 6 locks total, so 2, 2, and 2. And I also don't like to wear my braids for too long because I do get concerned about my ends, about making sure that there's not too much pressure on them from the rubber band. On a random note, have you guys watched any of the ASMR dandruff videos? For some odd reason, I came across one, and it's just somebody using a comb and scraping dandruff off their scalp. This is like a booming genre right now. I do have really bad dandruff, and if you want to see it, I can show you. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about that. So I'm done with this side. Y'all see what it looks like before I do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work through this side really quick. Last one. And get a little bit more oil to finish everything off with. I'm very happy with it. It's very defined. Okay, so let me show you the back. Sometimes I'll do a center part like it is now, or sometimes I'll flip it over. I'll show you just real quick the flipped look. I like it either way, honestly. I have a stretchy bonnet that I use, and I like to tuck the ends under, like kind of scrunch them under so I maintain the definition. I'm really annoyed right now because I cannot find that bonnet. I really need to find one. If I don't find it tonight, I'll probably just take some old tights and just cut them so that way I can scrunch my hair up underneath them. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Also make sure that you're subscribed. You can also follow me on IG, and thank you for watching.